Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 5 Maths Chapter 7. Can you see the patterns? First, let us see what is a pattern. Pattern includes a series or sequence that generally repeats itself. In mathematics, patterns are a number of or set of numbers arranged in a sequence so that they are related to each other by a specific rule. See here, an example is given 3, 6, 9, 12. Here each number is increased by 3. So when you add 3, you will be getting the next number. 12 plus 3, the next number in the series is 15. There are different types of number patterns, arithmetic, geometric, Fibonacci, harmonic, triangular number sequence, square number, cube number, all these are different numbers. Next we'll see turns and patterns. Look at the block first. We can make 3 different rules to turn it clockwise and see the patterns. First one, here the rule is the block is turned to 1/4. Next, rule 2 is it is repeated with a half turn. Next, rule 3 is it is repeated with 3/4 turn. So in this way, these patterns are made. Next, this is a magic square. Here, this is a 3 cross 3 magic square. In this, if you add all the numbers, so you will be getting the same number as the sum of the numbers. See here, when you add this, you will be getting 15. When you add this, you will be getting 15. When you add diagonally also, you will be getting the same number. Another one important rule here is the numbers are not getting repeated. See here, you can see the 1 in only once in the grid. And the same way, the numbers are not repeated in any side. So this is the magic square. You can try to make magic in a magic square with other numbers in 4 cross 4 grid or 5 cross 5 grid. Next, this is a magic hexagon. So here an hexagon is formed with square and circle. So this is the side and corner of the hexagon. And middle you can see a square. How do you get the square? You have to multiply the numbers which is in circle. 10 into 2, that is equal to 20. The same way, when you multiply this, 7 into 10 will give you 70. Next, when you multiply this and this, 14 into 5 gives 70. That is written in this box. Same way, when you multiply 5 into 13, that gives 65. 13 into 2, that gives 26. And 14 into 7, that gives 98. This is a magic hexagon. Next, numbers and numbers. Here, left side and right side are given shapes and numbers. When you see, both are same, but they are placed in different order. When you add all these numbers, you will be getting the same answer. So next we'll see few questions in terms of exam point of view. Complete the patterns for next two steps. So here 3 steps are given. You have to continue others. So first is ash color, then down, then up, again down. So this should be in pink. Next, 16 into 1 plus 3 gives 19. Similarly, you have to find for this. So 16 into 4 gives 64. Plus 3 gives, the answer is 67 here. Similarly, for this 16 into 5 plus 3. So you will be getting 80 plus 3. The answer is 83. Next, here 25 plus dash. So you can write 38. So already here 38 is given. So I have written 38. Here you can write 64. Here you can write 25. Next, 5 into 10 into 3. Here you can write 5 so that both left side and right side becomes equal. Next, use the magic trick, calendar magic trick, to find the sum of 9 dates given in 3 cross 3 box. So you have to find the sum of 9 dates given here. So this is the grid. So what you can do is take the center number. Center number here is 15. So when you multiply 15 by 9, you will be getting the answer. The answer is 135. When you add all these numbers, you will get the same. So if you want, you can check with other grid also. 135 is the answer for this. So take the center number, multiply it with the 9. Next, complete the following patterns. This is the easy pattern. So finally, you have to write here, this side you have to write. Next, here the arrow mark points upward, side, down. Now it should point left side. So this is the answer for this. Next, heart in reverse side. So the heart in should face this side now, right side. Here also down, left, up. Now it is right. Next, find the missing number. 6 into 9 equal to 6 into 3 into 3. 100 into 5, that is 500 you will be getting. So here you can write it as 4 into 5, or you can write it as 25 into 20. So 72 plus 10 plus 33, so can be written as 33 plus 10. So 24 plus 29 is given. So here the answer is 0, because when nothing is added, you will be getting the equal in both the sides. 48 plus 0. Sorry, here it is 48, here it is 59. So here the answer would be 11, because 48 plus 11 gives 59. So which means you will be getting both the sides equal. Next, you have to write this hexagon, magic hexagon. So already I have explained. So you have to multiply this and write it here. Here it is 44. Here it is 60. Here it is 75. Here it is 65. Here it is 91. So this is the magic hexagon. You have to multiply the numbers in the circle and write it in the square or the box. What is my secret number? So you're going to find a number, secret number. Here clues are given. Four clues are given. So it is larger than half of 100. So larger than half of 100 is 50. So it is greater than 50. So we found out that the number is greater than 50. It is more than 6 tens and less than 7 tens. So it is somewhere between 60 to 70. The number is between 60 to 70. That is what it means. More than 6 tens and less than 7 tens. The tens digit is one more than ones digit. So tens digit is more than ones digit. It can be 65. Let us see. Together the digits have a sum of 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. So Check if you can get any other number like this. In 64, in 60, between 60 and 70, you will be getting only 65 with this clue. So here the secret number is 65. Hope this chapter is easy, useful, and easy for you to understand. Thanks for watching.